Hi student, my name is Mohammed Irfan and you are watching my YouTube channel. Today we discuss about partial fraction. The solution we let 7x minus 9 over x plus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to a over x plus 1 plus b over x minus 3. We let this is equation 1. Multiplying both sides x plus 1 into x minus 3, we get 7x minus 9 is equal to a over x minus 3 plus b into x plus 1 bx plus b. 7x minus 9 is equal to ax plus bx minus 3a plus b. 7x minus 9 is equal to combine a plus b from x minus 3a plus b. By comparing coefficient of x and constant terms, a plus b is equal to 7. Let this equation is equation 2 and minus 3a plus b is equal to minus 9. This equation 3. By subtracting 2 from 3, we get over a is equal to 16. A is equal to 4. 40. Value of a and equation 2, we get 4 plus b is equal to 7, b is equal to. Now we put in the value of a and b into equation 1. As we know, equation 1 is equal to 7x minus 9 over x plus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to a over x plus 1 plus b over x minus 3. As we know, the value of a and B. A is equal to 4, B is equal to 3. Now we put values 7x minus 9 over x plus 1, x minus 3 is equal to 4 over x plus 1 plus 3 over x minus 3. This is required result.